Managing your workspace with supplied APIs. Previously, I showed you how to export your application using the browser. Once you start developing applications, you'll need some tools to help manage your environments. Let's say you're preparing a new workspace to hold your application, perhaps for a test environment. Presuming your schema is already created, you can use an API to create this workspace, users, and applications. To enable one of our database owners to do this, we need to grant the Apex administrator role to your schema owner. From there, you can then execute procedures such as Apex instance admin add workspace to create a new workspace and then subsequently create users and other things. All these APIs are documented under the Oracle Application Express documentation. You can Google it. The first result will give you one of the oracle.com websites, and this will have a link to the full library or some of the API guides. So for example, if you run through the full library, go to the API reference, then all these packages are available and documented. So if we go back and run this script here, I've now added a workspace and created some users, and the following script will allow us to set up an application with some predefined detail. And I can then run the import script, refer to the script name, and that's now importing one of our applications into our new workspace. We can test this by logging into our new workspace. Back to new. And in the application builder, there's the application that I imported. So essentially performed the first two steps in our video series via an API instead of a Apex browser interface. This can make the management of your Apex environments more efficient and effective. This concludes our chapter on Apex APIs. Next up, we'll look even closer at the Apex environment, exploring other methods of debugging.